Hey guys, Kalisa Johnson here. So I'm doing this video today basically as a kind of a short get started video for all those that's just getting started with me in TBC. Okay, so I'm gonna give you basically a quick rundown on the basics and how things look inside of your TBC wallet, and also give you some information on the billioncoin.info website as well. Okay, so you've already watched my videos, you decided that you want to get started in TBC. So what do you do next? What you do is you come to tbc004.net. That's tbc004.net. Okay, and this is the web page that's going to come up. So what you do is you will click sign up. Now, when you click sign up, what you'll do is you'll enter your email address, your password, and you'll re-enter your password again. Click I'm not a robot and click sign up. Once you do that, you will receive a confirmation email in your to the email address that you entered here. Okay, so what you do, you go to your email address and you confirm the link in the email that you receive. Once you do that, then you can come back to the website and you can log in. Okay, so I'm gonna log in because of course I already passed that stage. So just give me a second, let me log in. Okay, so this is how the web wallet looks. Okay, this is how your TBC web wallet will look. Now the only difference would be that you won't have any transactions at the bottom here. You won't have any transactions. Okay, and of course your balance when you first open your wallet would be 0 TBCs. All of this would be 0. Okay, until you actually fund your account with TBCs, then you'll be able to see your balance here saying so and so amount of TBCs. Okay, and right here it will show you the value of your TBCs, of the amount. And so every day, if you when you want to see, how much of your coins has grown, how much the value has grown, you can come into your wallet and you can look right here and you will be able to see daily this value going up every single day. Okay, between 3% and 5% daily. Now, if you're not using USD, if your currency is not USD, you can go ahead and click this little pencil right here. Once you click it, you click currency and you'll be able to see the drop down of currencies. You can just select which one relates to you. Okay, but for me it's USD. Okay, and vice versa. If you see that when you create your wallet, because I know when I created my wallet it said euros, and what I did the same thing. I clicked the pencil and I click currency and I changed it to USD. Okay, that's where I can be able to track exactly how much my coins are valued in my currency. Okay, so now yes, that's how you'll be able to see everything right here. Now when it comes to this section right here, I know I have a lot of people that are very confused about this right here. Okay, send TBC address and the amount. When you first get started in TBC and you create your wallet, you do not need to use this section at all, because this is only for when you are actually selling your coins. Okay, so please do not put your TBC address in here. Do not put anything in here. Okay, you're not dealing with this at all. This is only for when you're selling your TBC coins. And at that point, I will teach you and show you exactly what to do, which is very simple. You enter the person TBC address that you're sending the coins to. You copy and paste it in here, and then you just simply put the amount of TBC you want in this section. You are not putting the dollar value. You don't want to put $5 thinking it's $5 when this amount here is supposed to be TBC. Because if you put the dollar amount, instead of sending $5 worth of TBC, you would actually be sending 5 TBCs, which is a very, very big difference. So please guys, stay away from this section once you're first getting started. Only when you're able to begin selling coins, then you'll learn more on this section. Now down here where it says transaction ID, this shows you all the transaction that you receive, whether you purchase coins or whether persons purchase coins from you. Everything will show up in the transaction section on from here go down. Okay, and that's about it. The web wallet is very simple, it's very straightforward. Okay, and if you want to change your password for any reason, just come here and click profile. That's what I just did, and you'll see your email address here. You just enter your password, enter your sorry, 1 second. Okay, baby, hold on, baby, 1 second. So what you'll do is I'm so sorry about that, guys. Okay, so right here, if you want to change your password, you can come here, enter in the new password, and then re-enter the same password again, the new password again. And then in this last section, you will enter your current password that you want to actually change. Okay, and you just press update and your password will change. And so that is it when it comes to your TBC wallet. You have the dashboard, which is what I showed you at first, and then you have your profile. Okay, so now let me take you over to the billioncoin.info. Okay, now let me say this. The billioncoin.info website is a different website from the TBC 004 website for your wallet. So even though you created an account with your TBC, when you open a TBC wallet on the billioncoin.info, you still have to register for an account on this website as well when you're getting started. So if you're new, when you're finished, when you already set up your wallet, you're going to come over to the billioncoin.info and you're going to click register. Okay. Once you click register, yes, and this is important. It says, notice, please make sure you add register at the billioncoin.info to your whitelist or safe senders list before you submit your sign up. And the reason for that is because a lot of times certain, depending on the email, depending on the on which email service you use, like I use Gmail, a lot of times they would put new emails into the spam folder or into the junk mail, and so you may not see it come directly to your inbox. Okay, so that once you put it on, once you save register at the billioncoin.info to your whitelist, it will automatically come to your straight to your inbox. Okay, so yeah, so that's all. Once you do that, just fill out the information and click sign up, and you would have created your billion coin. You would have registered for the billion coin. Okay, and what you're going to do, they're going to send you an email. You go over to your email, the email that you entered here. You go over there and you click confirm. You click the link to confirm. Okay, and that's it. So you would have registered at the billion coin, and it's very important to register because that is how we actually track the total verified members in the TBC community. So that is very important. Once you completed setting up your wallet, you must come over to the billioncoin.info and register here, because I've had a lot of people that set up their wallet and came over here and just went straight to log in on the billioncoin.info and tried to enter the same information they entered on their web wallet address, when it's two different websites completely. Okay, so please do not do that. You have to register or you will not get into the billioncoin.info website. Now, yeah, so it's very, very straightforward. Okay, so that is how you can set up your web wallet, and that is how you can register with the billioncoin.info. Now if you want, you can just go through here, go to formula, you can read up on information, whatever information you need to know about TBC. It is all here. You can just go through the site, read up on everything, and I guarantee you'll be able to understand everything so much better if you had any questions. Okay, so I hope this video was able to help you guys get started. If you do have any questions, connect with me. My Facebook information is below. You can send me a message through Facebook Messenger. You can also give me a call, WhatsApp me, send me a text. It doesn't matter, but you can reach out to me with any questions you have and I will answer it for you. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful day and be blessed.